Hello class, today in science you're going to be working on the blood vessels and the blood flow. You're going to be looking at where's your heart is, and we're going to look at how does the blood flows from your heart to your body. First of all, let's check it out. Did you know that your heart is the size of your fist? Let's put out your fist. Or sometimes it's a good size orange. So let's put out your fist and check out the size of your heart. This is the size of my heart. Did you know your heart is like a muscle in your body? Tights up and relax. Tights up and relax. The heart is a very special body part. The heart keeps pumping blood to your body without you even thinking about it. Think about it. You're sleeping. You're not really thinking, but your heart is pumping blood to your body so that you are able to function and able to receive the blood inside your body and inside your brain. Blood vessels. In the picture, you see the heart pumps blood to all the body through the blood vessels. So I want you to point your fingers on the heart, and you notice all the blood vessel flowing from the heart to all parts in your body. Let's do an activity today. Let's see how the blood travels inside your body. You will need 3 straws, an eyedropper or a medicine syringe, and 2 cups. You're going to slit 2 straws into the end of the 3rd straw. So, for example, you're going to have 3 straws, right? So you're going to slit the end of the 2 straw, and then you're going to put it inside the 3rd straw, and then you're going to tape it, and then you're going to squeeze water through the top straw so that you can see the blood flowing from the top straw down. You can notice on page 162 it shows you what the child is doing with the straw. You can check it out and see how does the blood flows inside your body. What makes the blood in the body flow? Yes, you guess it, the heart. So I have 2 videos here for you to watch how the blood flows in your body. The first one is a clinical review, the blood, and the second one is the blood vessels. Okay? I hope you understand, and I hope that you're doing okay. If you have any questions, just dojo me. Thank you.